She's a good MC. A lot of people aren't that natural on the mic. I've done over 6,000 performances, and I've never played for people in a golf cart. I love it. You guys this is awesome. It's like a drive-in movie. I'm never going to forget this. Awesome. Just don't slip it into gear and make us be in the newspaper tomorrow, aren't we? All right, well, the trick's going to be getting the volume right where you want it. So I will, I'll do a couple songs and ask you. I want it to be loud enough that it sounds like a band, but not so loud that you get a different hairdo, you know what I mean? So, why don't I play something that you know, so you can feel free to, I want you to please sing along at any time tonight. I want you to, well, actually just when the music's playing, but that's what we want. I want you to have a relaxed, good time. So I'll play something you can sing along on. How sweet it is to be loved by you. How sweet it is to be loved by you. I needed to shelter someone's arms. There you were.